Electric vehicles have been celebrated as the future of driving, offering cleaner energy and lower long-term maintenance. But are they truly the cost-effective solution they've been hyped up to be? Welcome back to Piston Pundit, your ultimate pit stop for everything automotive. In today's video, we'll expose the jaw-dropping repair costs that have EV owners fuming. From the staggering expenses of a simple bumper dent to the eye-watering costs of battery replacement, we're diving into why many are questioning if their EVs are even worth fixing. Let's get under the hood and explore what's really going on. Reason number 7. The $17,000 bumper dent disaster. Electric vehicles are often touted as low maintenance, but what happens when they get into an accident? A simple dent in a traditional car might cost a few $100s to repair, but not with EVs. One Tesla Model S owner experienced a shocking reality when a minor fender bender turned into a $17,000 nightmare. Why such a high cost? It all comes down to materials. Tesla's use of premium aluminum body panels, while great for performance, makes repairs far more expensive. Aluminum is difficult to work with and requires specialized tools and techniques, which drives repair prices through the roof. And Tesla isn't alone. Other manufacturers are following suit with premium materials, making even the smallest repairs costly. So what should have been a minor fix for this Tesla owner ballooned into a bank-breaking repair bill? For many, this is the first clue that owning an EV might not be the money saver they thought. Reason number 6. Battery replacements. The ultimate EV nightmare. While a bumper dent might sting, nothing terrifies an EV owner more than the looming threat of battery replacement. The battery is the heart of any electric vehicle, and replacing it isn't just costly. It's potentially the most expensive repair you'll face. While warranties cover some situations, unexpected damage from accidents can leave owners paying out of pocket. And we're not talking small sums. Battery replacements can range from $7,000 to a jaw-dropping $30,000. In some extreme cases, the cost of replacing a battery exceeds the value of the entire vehicle. As EVs age, battery degradation becomes inevitable, making owners wonder if the savings on gas are really worth it. And don't even get us started on the labor costs, which we'll cover later in the video. Reason number 5. Manufacturer monopoly. No competition, sky-high prices. Unlike traditional cars, where you can shop around for third-party parts, most EV components can only be purchased from the manufacturer. This lack of competition leads to inflated prices and limited availability. Take, for instance, the case of a Renault Zoe owner in the UK. After the charging unit failed, the cost to replace it was a staggering £7,500, $10,000, more than the car was worth. This monopoly on parts isn't just financially devastating. It also adds weeks or even months of waiting for parts, leaving owners stranded without their cars. With fewer options for parts and repair services, EV owners are at the mercy of manufacturers and their price tags, making the ownership experience far from ideal. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Reason number 4. The hidden cost of labor. Specialization at a premium. Repairing an EV is not like working on a traditional gas-powered car. EVs require specialized knowledge, particularly when dealing with high-voltage batteries and complex electronics. This means that labor costs for EV repairs can be 30% higher than for internal combustion engine vehicles. Why? Simple supply and demand. EV repair is a relatively new field, and there just aren't as many certified technicians available. Those who are qualified charge top dollar for their expertise, and authorized dealerships pass those labor costs directly to consumers. Even for a minor repair, EV owners often find themselves with a much larger bill compared to their ICE counterparts. To make matters worse, there's a severe shortage of independent repair shops that specialize in EVs, meaning fewer options for competitive pricing. Reason number 3. The charging nightmare. When your EV won't power up. Charging your EV should be easy. Just plug it in overnight, right? But what happens when your EV simply won't charge? Charging failures are more common than people think and can lead to hefty repair bills. Take one Renault Zoe owner who was stuck with a $10,000 repair bill for a faulty charging unit, almost twice the value of the car itself. Charging issues can arise from problems like faulty connectors or damaged ports, and because these components are essential, they need immediate attention. Unfortunately, repairing them can be expensive and time-consuming due to the proprietary nature of EV parts. And in areas with limited repair options, the headache gets even worse. As charging infrastructure improves, individual charging failures are still a major issue, catching new owners off guard and making EV ownership less seamless than expected. Reason number 2. Depreciation. EVs lose value fast. While all vehicles depreciate, EVs tend to lose value quicker than gas-powered cars. Why? Rapid advancements in EV technology mean that newer models with better range and features are constantly coming out, making older models less appealing. Early Nissan Leaf or Chevy Bolt owners have seen the value of their vehicles drop significantly as more advanced models hit the market. This fast depreciation can leave EV owners underwater on loans or stuck with cars worth far less than they paid. With the higher upfront costs of EVs, this rapid loss in value can make owners question if the investment was truly worth it. Reason number 1. Skyrocketing insurance premiums. Insurance for EVs has been climbing, largely due to the high cost of repairs. EVs are complex, and even minor accidents can lead to large claims. The specialized nature of EV parts and labor often results in cars being written off as total losses for what would be a minor repair in a gas-powered car. As a result, insurance premiums keep rising, becoming another significant cost of EV ownership. For prospective buyers, the combination of expensive repairs and increasing insurance premiums can be a major drawback. And with no sign of these costs going down soon, insurance will remain a major financial burden for EV owners. The big question: are EVs worth it? After looking at the hidden costs of owning an EV, charging problems, depreciation, and high insurance, are electric vehicles still worth it? Sure, they offer benefits like lower emissions and reduced fuel costs, but the financial hurdles are tough to ignore. So what do you think? Have you experienced any of these challenges with your EV? Or are you still considering taking the plunge despite the costs? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Don't forget to subscribe to Piston Pundit for more vehicle updates and insights. Hit that bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.